This is question 10 from the January 2021 CSEC Mathematics past paper. It says, given the matrix W equal 3, 6, negative 2, 5, determine 1. The 2 by 2 matrix L such that W plus L is 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright, that is the null matrix. I copied the question and put over here already. Now, let's look at part 1 and see what it is about. By the way, you pause the video and work out the matrix L for me. Alright, you finished? What did you get? Now, W is 3, 6, negative 2, 5. Let's say the matrix L, you're going to add to L. Let's say it is A, B, C, D. And when you add them, you get 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright? Now remember, when you're adding matrices, you add the corresponding elements. So, you have 3 plus A equals 0. So, this plus this equals this. 6 plus B will give you 0. 6 plus B equals 0. And negative 2 plus C. Let me rewrite that. Negative 2 plus C equals 0. And then 5 plus D equals 0. Alright? Now, based on all of these, what would A be? 3 plus A is 0. A would have to be negative 3. 6 plus B is 0. B is negative 6. Negative 2 plus C is 0. C would have to be what? 2. 5 plus D is 0. D is equal to negative 5. So, L is the matrix A, which is negative 3, B, which is negative 6, C, 2, and D, negative 5. So that is the matrix L. You see that? Alright. After that, it says, you must find the 2 by 2 matrix P such that W times P is 1, 0, 0, 1. Alright, you can see that the 1, 0, 0, 1 is the identity matrix. Alright. Now, let's just put this matrix up there. Negative 3, negative 6, 2, negative 5. Negative 3, negative 6, 2, negative 5. That's what we have here. And then, let us work out the next matrix. Suppose you look at it this way and say you have W, which is 3, 6, negative 2, 5, multiplied by, let's say, A, B, C, D. And it gives you 1, 0, 0, 1. If you look at it this way, you will say 3 plus A, that means 3A plus, remember it's row by column, first in row 1 times first in column 1 plus second in row 1 times second in column 1, that's 6C, and that gives you 1. Okay, then 3B plus 6D is 0. Remember, you're going to get the element in row 1 column 2, so it's row 1 by column 2. So row 1 by column 2, first multiplied by first, 3b, plus second multiplied by second, 6d. Alright? You have to remember that. Then, after that, let's get rid of these things down here. After that, you're going to get the 0 here, which is in row 2 and column 1. It's going to be row 2 by column 1, first multiplied by first, plus second multiplied by second. Alright? So, it's going to be negative 2 by a plus 5c equals 0. Then to get this 1 down here now, it is in row 2, column 2. It's going to be row 2 by column 2. First elements multiplied, negative 2 by b, plus second elements multiplied, 5 by d. Alright? So it's negative 2b plus 5d equals 1. How can we figure these out now? We could say 3a plus 6c equals 1 and negative 2a plus 5c equals 0. That's a pair of simultaneous equations. Alright? If we say eliminate c first by multiplying, let's call this equation 1, equation 2. If we, well, let's name these the equations. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. This would be equation 1 and equation 3. If we multiply equation 1 by 5 and 3 by 6, we'll get the same numbers c, and we could eliminate them. And we would say 5 3 is 15a plus 5 6 30c equals 515. Then this is 6 by negative 2, negative 12a plus 6 5 30c equals 606. Then we could subtract these two equations. 15a minus negative 12a would be what? 27a. 30c minus 30c, that's 0. c is gone. Equal 5 minus 0 is 5. So here now, we have a would be 5 divided by 27. Alright? And if a is 5 over 27, then what would happen here is that we would have 3 times 5 over 27. If we substitute in equation 1, 3 by 5 over 27 plus 6c equals 1. 3 to 3, 1, 3 to 27, 9. We would have 5 over 9 plus 6c equals 1. So 6c would be 1 minus 5 over 9. Alright? And then c would be 1 minus 5 over 9 all over 6. So what would that give you? Well, that would be 1/6 minus 5 divided by 54. 1 over 6 minus 5 over 54. If you have a fraction calculator, you could quickly work it out. If not, then you would just have to use your thing there, your decimal. 1 over 6 minus 5 over 54 equal, I get 2 over 27. So c will be 2 divided by 27. So I have a so far, I have c so far, what happens after this? I need to find B and D. So, here now, 3B plus 6D equals 0. So we have 3B plus 6D equals 0. And then we have negative 2B plus 5D equals 1. Negative 2B plus 5D equals 1. Suppose we multiply this equation by 5 and this by 6. We have 5 3 is 15B plus 5 6 30D equals 500. And we could also do 6 negative 2 negative 12B plus 30D equals 616. And we subtract these. 15 minus negative 12 be like 15 plus 12, which is 27. B 30D minus 30D, that's gone. D is gone. Is eliminated. Because 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Then B would be what now? B would be negative 6 over 27, which is negative 3 over 9. Oh, hold on there. Negative 2 over 9. 3 into 6, 2. 3 into 27, 9. Negative 2, 9. So that is B. And then D now. Since B is negative 2, 9. I would have 3 times negative 2 over 9 plus 6D equals 0. 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 9, 3. Negative 2 third plus 6D equals 0. So 6D would be, if you add 2 thirds to both sides, it would be 2 thirds over here. And then, what you get is that D will be 2 divided by 6 by 3, which would be what? 1 over 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 6, 3, 3 is 9, 1 9. So, the matrix would be what? Let's write it up here. Okay, let's write it up here. P would be what? P would be 5 over 27. 5 over 27, that's A. What is B again? Well, B is negative 2, 9. Negative 2, 9. C is 2 over 27. 2 over 27. And then D. What was D again? 1, 9. D would be 1 over 9. Alright? So that's one way you could get it. But the fact that the two matrices multiply and you get the identity matrix, it means that one matrix is the inverse of the other. So let us also find the inverse of our 3, 6, negative 2, 5 and see what will happen. We have 3, 6, negative 2, 5. The determinant would be 3, 5, 15 minus 6, negative 2, negative 12, which would be 27. So, here, to find the inverse, you have 1 over 27, the determinant, multiply by interchange 5 and 3, 5 comes up here, 3 goes down here, change the sign of 6 to negative, the sign of negative 2 to positive 2, and multiply them. you have 5 over 27, negative 6 over 27, but that's the same as 3 into 6, 2. 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 27, 9. So it would be much quicker to find the inverse, that is, if you remember how to find the inverse, right? The inverse of the matrix. What was this again? 6 over 27, 2 into 6, 3. 3 into 6, 2, 3 into 27, 9. 3. Oh, negative. 3 into 6, 2. Why am I putting 3 up here? And it's a negative. Negative 2. 2 over 27, and 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 27, 9. Alright, so you have 5 over 27, 2 over, negative 2 over 9, 2 over 27, and 1 over 9. Again, you get P, the same thing. Alright, so a question like this, it is good to remember how to find the inverse of the matrix, but if you don't, you have to do the longer working, which is getting these and solving the simultaneous equations, right? Alright, so let's see what else is here. Alright, we'll do part B next time.